All right, welcome guys. Today we are going to add our floor as well as the roof to our building plan. So let's get started. So we're going to go where it says floor plans. Then we're going to go on level 1, and here on level 1 I'm going to make my floor plan for the garage first. So let's make our floor plan for the garage. So we're going to go on architecture, then we are going to go where it says floor. So here I'm on floor plan, and here we can go where it says edit type. Then here I'll go on duplicate, then I'll enter the thickness of my floor in the garage, and I'll put it as 50 millimeters like that. Then I'll go on OK. Then here I'll go on edit type. Then here the thickness, I'll change this thickness to 250. Then I'll go on OK. The thickness has been changed to 50. We have named the type of floor plan of about 50 millimeters squared. Okay, then we can go on OK. So we have changed our thickness. Then here you can start making the boundary where you want to make your floor plan. So I'll just use the line command. So I'll make a line from here going this side, then coming down to there, going this side, and it will connect set there. Then after I'm done with this, I can go on enter like that. Okay, here we haven't made this line coming down, so I'll go on line. Let's connect this line from here to here like that. Then let's go on escape. So we have made this line. Let's see here where it says offset height. I'll offset that at 50. Then I'll go on apply. So once this is done, here it says the boundary lines have been done. Then you can go here where it says finish edit. So we are done with our floor plan. You can try to see it in 3D. Let's go there in 3D. So there is our floor plan. You can try to orbit. Let's orbit. So here we have made our floor in the garage. So that's the floor there. Then let's make the entire floor for the remaining part of the building. So we are going to go on level 1. Level 1 like that. Then we can start making the floor. Let's do that. Let me just go there where it says floor like that. I'm not supposed to go on floor plan, so let's go on floor. So we are on floors now. Then you can go where it says edit type, then you can go on duplicate, and here you can change these to about 150 millimeters. You can go on OK. You can go where it says edit structure, and here you can change your thickness to 150. Then you can go on OK. So we are done here. Then you can go on OK. So once we are done, you can go where it says line in order to set your boundary. So you are going to make a line from here, go in this side. So this is where the area where our floor is going to be placed. And we're going all the way. No. And escape. Also, don't escape. Okay, I'll continue from here. And I'll go there. Go this side, go on that side. And finally the top. So once I'm done, I can go on trim. So that's the trim command. Then you select this line and I'll select that line like that. And then here on offset height, I'll put that height at 150 millimeters. I'll go on apply. Once I'm done, you can go where it says here on finish. So this is where our floor is going to be created. Okay, here is saying overlap. That's okay, that's fine. So you can just do that. Then you can go on view, view 3D. Then we have made our floor here. You can see this floor has been made. So we are done making our floors. So the next thing now we are going to do is we're going to make our roof. Let's make our roof. Let's go on level 2. Our roof is going to go on level 2. So we are here now on level 2. So we're going to go on structure. Then here we're going to choose the type of roofing that's of your choice. Some types of roofs. Then I'm going to go with roof by footprint. I'll choose this one. Then once I'm done, I can start making my lines. So here it says boundary. Again, go where it says line. And make your line here like that. So I'm going to make a roof here. So all we need to do is we need to trace our floor plan like that. Up to there. Once I'm done, I can go on offset. Then I can offset this side with a distance of 250 millimeters. So here it's where you can change your offset. Here you can put your figure. So here I'm using 250. So I'm using 250, then you can change. If you want, you can put it at 500, but I'm using 250. Then here you can take it this side, that side, that side, that side. So we're offsetting at 250. Okay. Then you can go on here on trim. So select this and this line like that to join them. Then select this line and that line, this line and that line. So and there you select this line, that line, this line and that line with that line. Let's see here, and you can select this line with this line. What is this line doing here? Okay. And we are done. Escape. I'll select this and I'll delete that line like that. Then once we are done here, you can delete all these, delete this, delete this, delete this, delete, delete, delete this line, delete this line as well, delete, delete, can delete this, delete that, delete that, select that and delete it like that. So here, once we're done, I think we can go on edit type. Then here I'll go on structure. Here I'll go on structure. I need to find some material that I can use, material that we use for the roof. Okay, and I'll try to pick just the brick common. Let's work with what we have. Then I'll go on OK, go on OK, then I'll go on apply, I'll go on OK. So here I can go there, I'm going to continue. Then I need to delete this, delete. Let me try to go there again and finish. So then it's asking me, would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? So these are the highlighted walls inside there. I'll go on for no. I want to attach them to the roof. So we are done here. So we have made our roof. We can check it out in 3D. And that's our roof. So this is how you can make your roof, your roofings, as well as your floor. Let's go here like that. So you can see like that. You can also, this is how you can make your roof and floor plans in Revit. Okay, so let's try to see here in view. We can try to view it in camera form as well. Then you can set your camera here. Then once your camera is here, then you can view it from this side. You can just do that. Then it's going to bring something like that. This is in, again, extend this line to there, then to there. Then you can change it to realistic. So let's go to realistic. So this is how our house is looking when you put the camera this side. Okay, just go back there to exit, and just go back and exit this. Then I'm back here. So this is how you can draw your roof as well as your floor plan in Revit. So we are going to end this video from here now. Then in the next video we are going to see how we can add some of the finishes of this house. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.